Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this class we will discuss the question number 9 to 14 and the detailed solution of these questions, and at the end of the video we will discuss 5 MCQ questions of AP series, and that is frequently asked questions in the previous year. So let's start with question number 9. Question number 9 says that if the sum of the first 7 terms of an AP is 49, that of 17 terms is 289, find the sum of first n terms. So means S7 is given. S7 is given what? 49. And that of 17 means S17. S17 is given 289. Okay, so this is given here. So now we have to sum of first n term means Sn you have to find. So S7, from S7 we can write, we know the formula Sn equals to, we know n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is Sn formula, so we are going to apply this formula. So here n is 7, so 7 by 2, 2 into a. A is not given, plus n minus, n also not given, n is given here. N is given, so 7 minus 1 into d. D is not given. Yeah. So means 7 by 2, that is 2a plus 16. So 49, so you can write 49 here. So 49 into this 7 by 2 will reciprocal, so you will get 2 by 7 equals to 2a plus 6d. Here. So 7 7 are 49 and 7 2s are 14. So 14. So 2a plus 60. Okay, if we get common, take common from both the terms, we will get 2. Cancel out 2 under 2, 2 3s is 6 and 2 7 are 3. Means we get a plus 3d equals to here 7. This is question number 1. Okay. Now from S17. So from S17 we write n by 2 means 17 by 2 into 2a. 2a is not given. So n minus 1, 17 minus 1 into d. Okay. S17 value is what? 289. 17 by 2. And this is 2a plus 17 minus 1 means 16d. 17 by 2 will 89 into, we can write 2 by 17 equals to 2a plus 16d. Yeah. 17 ja 289. So 17 into 2, 34 equals to, we can take common from the from both the terms. So 2 into, you can write a plus 8d. Okay. If you cancel out 2, 17 34 equals to a plus 8d. This is equation number 2. So we get equation number 1 and equation number 2, and we have to find out the value of a and d. So if I apply the elimination method, so means equation 1 minus equation 2. So equation 1 is what? A plus 3d, okay, minus a plus 8d. This is equation number 2 equals equation number 1 17. So 17. Okay. So this a and this a cancel. 3d minus 8d means 5d equals to 7 minus 17, that is minus 10. That is d equal to what? 2. This is the value of d here. Okay. Find value of a. So value of a is what? Value of, if we put the value of b in equation number 1, we get value of a. So a equals to, we can write 7 minus 3d, that is 7 minus 3 into 2, that is 7 minus 6, that is 1. So value of a is what? 1. So this is value of a. Okay, and value of d. Yeah. So now we have to find the value of Sn. Okay. So value of d2, value of a 1. If we go to next slide, so we get value of a equals to 1 and value of d equals to 2. Value of d equals to 2. So we'll find Sn. So Sn formula we know, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is unknown. 2 into a, value of a is 1 plus n minus 1 into d means 2. So n by 2, 2 into 1 2 and 2 n, 2 into n 2n and 2 into 1 2 plus 2 minus 2 cancel out. So n by 2n. This to cancel out and n into n means n square. So answer is what? N square. So in the next slide you can see the detailed solution. Next, question number 10. In question number 10, A1, A2, AN from an AP where AN, so this will be what? AN, suffix n, is defined as below. AN equals to 3 plus 4n and AN equals to 9 minus 5n. Also find the sum of the first 15 terms in each case. Okay, so there is two maths. We have to solve one by one. So question number 1. So AN equals to what? Plus 4n. Yeah. So you have to find what? Find the sum of first 15 terms. So means you have to find what? S15. You have to find what? S15. Okay. So AN equals to 3 plus 4n. So if I put n equals to 1, 2, 3 and so on, we'll get the value of A1, A2, A3. So if I put n equals to 1 means we are going to find A1. So A1 means we put here 1. So 3 plus 4 into n, that is 3. Right? So A1 means 7. This is only A. So you can denote it A. A means A1. And next A2. A2 equals to what? A2 equals to, you can find, if you put the value of 2 here. So 3 plus 4 into 2, that is 3 plus 4 to the 8, that is 11. So A2 equals to what? 11. Okay. So A2. So D means what? Second term minus first term. So if I write A2 minus A1, A2 is what? A2 11 and A1 is what? 7. So means 4 is the value of D. So now we'll find S15. S15 equals to, you can write n by 2 means 15 by 2 into 2A. So 2A is what? 2A 7 plus n minus 1, 15 minus 1 into D. D value is 4. 15 by 2, 2 7 the 14 plus, it is 14 into 4. So 15 by 2, 14 plus 14 4 the 56, right? So 15 by 2. So this will be what? 4 plus 6 0. So this is 70. Yeah. So if you cancel out 2 35, just 75. So means 15 into 35. So we can apply a trick, short tricks. 15 3s are 45 and this is 10th place digit, so we'll put 0. 15 5 is 75, means 5 2 5. So means 525 is the answer here. And the next, AN equals to 9 minus 5n. So AN equals to 9, sorry, minus 5n. Yeah. So we'll find A1 equals to 9 minus 5 into 1, that is 9 minus, and that is equals to A, that is equals to A, and A2 equals to, you can write 9 minus 5 into 2, that is 9 minus 10, that is minus 1, and D we know second term, A2 minus first term. So A2 is minus 1, A1 is what? 4. That is minus 5 is value of D. So now we'll find S15 in this case. So 15 by 2, 2 into A. A means 4 plus n minus 1 into D minus 5. So 15 by 2 into 4 to the 8 plus 15 minus 4, 14 into minus 5. By 2, 8 minus 14 5 is 70, right? So 15 by 2 into 70 minus 8, that is 62, minus 62. If I cancel out 2 3 is 6, 2 1 is 2, that is 15 into minus 31. So we apply this trick, 15. So 15 is a 45 and 15 1 is minus 465. This is the answer. Check the detailed solution. Next question number 11. So if the sum of first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square, what is the first term? That H1, that is H1, and what is the sum of first two terms means H2, and what is the second term? So the second term means A2 term. Similarly, find the third and the 10th and the nth term. So given is what? So let us identify what is given and what we have to find here. So given AP. So if the sum of the first n term means Sn is given 4n minus n square. And what we have to find? We have to find here. We have to find. What do you have to find? We have to find what is the first term means H1 you have to find. Yeah. What is the sum of first two terms? Sum of first two terms means H2 you have to find. Next, what is the second term means T2 you have to find, term 2, and similarly find the third and 10th terms mean T3 you have to find, T10 you have to find, and Tn you have to find. These are we have to find. S1, Sn we can find out S1, H2, S3 and dot dot. So S1 equals to 4 into 1 minus 1 square. Just put the value of 1 in the place of n. So 4 minus 1, that is 3. And that means this is term A, and we have to find S1 and value of S1 is 3. Okay. S2 find. S2 means what? We have to find, put the value of n 2. So 4 into 2 minus 2 square, that is 8, minus 2 to the 4, that is 4. This is S2. Now we have to find T2. So T2 means what? Actually H1 is what? S1 equals to, we can write also T1. H2 we can write also T1 plus, if I subtract S2 minus S1, if I do, we can get the value of T2. Okay, so H2, value of H2 is what? 4, and value of S1 is what? 3. So means value of T2 equals to what? 1 here. Yeah. Also find out here. Next T3. So for T3 you have to find S3. S3, to put the value 3 into 3, 4 into 3 minus 3 square. So means 12 minus 9, that is 3. And S3 you can write T1 plus T2 plus T3. So we find the value of T1, T2. So if I this one, we get T3. So means to find out T3, we have to find out the difference between S3 minus H2. Okay. S3 is 3 and H2 is what? 4. That means minus 1. So means S3 equals to what? And this is actually T3. This one, T3. Now we'll find T10. So we know to find out T2, we have to find S2 minus S1, right? And to find T3, you have to do S3 minus H2. So similarly, for T10, we have to do what? S10 minus S9. Yeah. To find T2, we have to find S2 minus S1. To find T3, we have to find S3 minus S2. Similarly, to find T10, we have to find S10 minus S9. Yeah. So T10, S10. So Sn is what? Sn equals to 4n minus n square. Have 4n minus n square. So you have to put just n equals to 10 in the place of n. So in the place of n equals to 10, we have to put. So 4 into 10 minus 10 square. 4 into 10 means what? 40 minus 10 square means what? 100. That is minus 60. S10. Now you have to find S9. So S9 means you have to put the value of n 9. So 9 minus n square, 9 square, 4 9 ja 36 minus 9 9 ja 81. So means that is 5 and 45 minus 45. Yeah. So minus 45. So means we have to find T10. T10 means you have to find S10 minus S9. S10 is what? Minus 60, and S9 is what? Minus 45. So means minus 60 minus plus 45, and this will be what? Minus 15. Okay. So T10 is Next we have to find Tn. Okay, so Tn, to find Tn, what we needed here? So Tn, you can write a n minus 1 into d. Here a is given in the previous slide. A is given what? This is a, s1 value of s1 3, but d is not given. D, how can you find d? Okay, so we find d means we know second term minus first term, so means you can write t2 minus t1. So does you find t2? We find t2. Value of t2 is what? 1, and value of t1 is 3. So 1 minus 3. So t2 is minus 2. So value of t1 is what? 3. So value of t1 is 3 plus n minus 1 into d. D means what? Minus 2. So plus, if we multiply minus 2, so we get minus 2n, and minus minus a plus 2. So means we'll get 3 plus 2, 5 minus 2n. This is the value of Tn here. Yeah. So you can check the solution of this equation, of these questions. Next question number 12. Find the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. Sum of 40 positive integers divisible by 6 means we have to find out the multiple of 6. Multiple of 6. First 40 positive integers. So multiple of 6 are 6, 18, okay, 6, 24, and so on. So first 40 means this is A1, this is A1, this is A1, better. So this is T1, T2, T3, T4, and so on. And suppose this one can be T40. Okay, this one can be T40. You don't know T40 can. So from this AP series, we can write A equals to 6 and value of D equals to 12 minus 6, 6, 18 minus 12, 6. Everywhere 6 is common difference. So we can write what T40. We can find out value of T40. So value of T40 will be what? A plus n minus 1 means 40 minus 1 into D. So A value 6 plus 40 minus 1, 39 into D. D means 6. So 6 plus, what will be the multiplication? 6 is 18. Okay. 4. So 4, 3 and 2. So 2. 2, 3, 4. Get 240. So means T40 will be what? 240. Yeah, but you have to find sum. Means S40 we have to find. So we know the first term and last term. So you can easily apply this formula. So there is a formula Sn equals to n by 2 A plus L, first term plus last term. So n by 2 means 40 by 2 into A. First term is 6 plus last term is 240. Okay. So if you cancel out, this will be 20. So 20 into this will be 246. So 246 multiply by 2. 2 6 is 12. 2 4 is 8, 9. 2 4 is 2 to the 4. So 9, 2 and 1 0 is here. So 4,920 is the answer here. Here. Find the sum of first 15 multiples of 18. So find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. Okay. So means first find out multiple of 8 are. So what are the multiple of 8? 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, and so on. I don't know what is the 15 term here. So first A equals to 8 and D equals to what? 16 minus 8 means 8 also. So we have to find T15. T15 is what? T15 equals to, write 15. Sorry. T15 equals to, write A plus n minus 1 into D. So A means 8 plus n minus 1 40 into D. So 8 plus 14 8 ja. 10 into 8, this means 112. So means 120. So means T 120. Now we'll find S15 equals to. So S15 equals to, we'll write 15 by 2. So we know first term and last term. So we can put the value formula A plus L, last term plus first term plus last term. So 120. So 15 by 2, and this is what, 128. So we cancel out 2 6 are 2 4 ja. So 15 into 64, 15 6 are 90, and 15 4 ja 60. So means 960. So 960 is the answer in this case. You can check this solution. So now find the sum of the odd number between 0 and odd 0 to 50. So what are the, if I write odd number between 0 to 50, so we'll write 1 is the odd number, 3, 5, 7 and 49. These are the odd number between 0 to 50. So here we write A equals to 1 first term and B equals to 2. So everywhere 2 is gap, means this is a AP series, this is an AP series. Find the sum of first odd numbers. So and the last term is 49. Okay, but we don't know how many terms is there. Okay, so SSN. So first we have to find the N here. So find the N first. So N, AN, AN, or you can write TN also, or you can write TN also. So A plus N minus 1 into D. So TN is what, 49. So 49 equals to A means 1 plus N minus 1. So 40 N minus 1 into D. D is what, 2. So 49 equals to 1 plus 2 will multiply 2N and 2 on the 2 minus 2. That is 49 equals to 2N, 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. This will here, so 50 equals to 2N, means value of N equals to 20 is 25 terms in this AP series. So we have to find S25. So N by 2, 25 by 2 into 2A. A means what, 1. So 1 plus N minus 1, 25 minus 1 into D, 2. 5 by 2, so 2 plus 24 into 2. So 25 by 2, so 2 plus 48, okay, so 25 by 2 into 50, cut 25, and 25 the what, 625, this is the answer. Next, so there now we'll discuss some MCQ question. There is 5 questions, we'll discuss one by one. So first question is that the nth term of an AP 5, 2, minus 1, minus 4, minus 7 is A, B, C, D. 4 option is given. We have to choose. So in this case, we have to find what, nth term of an AP. Tn we have to find. We have to find Tn. Okay. So we have given A equals to 5 and D equals to second term minus first term 2 minus 5, that is minus 3. Okay. So Tn. So Tn we can write A plus N. T N minus 1 into D. So A, value of A is 5 plus N minus 1 into D. D is what? Minus 3. So 5. So minus 3, that is minus 3N, and minus minus plus 3. That is 5 plus 3, 8 minus 3N. That is 8 minus 3N is the answer. Option number C is the answer here. Next question number 2. The N minus 1 term of an AP is given by this one. Is this means you have to find T N minus 1 equals to 1. So here A equals to 7 and D equals to 12 minus 7, that is 5. So T N minus, so we know that T N means A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, so T N minus 1, so means A plus, in the place of N we will put N minus 1. Minus 1 into D, value of D is what? 5. So A plus N minus minus 1 become minus 2 into 5. So A plus 5 into N, 5N, and 5 into 10 minus 10. So value of N is, A is given. So we can put the value of N also. Value of A is 7. So 5N, 7 minus 10, that is minus 3. So 5N minus 3, option number D is correct here. Question number 3. If the sum of three numbers of an AP is 9 and the product is 24, the numbers are what? So we have to take three numbers. So three numbers we have to take like that: A plus A, A plus T, and then A and A minus B. These are the numbers you have to take. So first is that B is 9. So if I add this one, so A plus D plus A minus D will, so D and D cancel out, and A plus A, 3A equals to 9. That is A equals to we'll write 9 by 3, so 3. That means equal to 3. So next condition is that their product, product of these three numbers is 24. So means A plus D into A minus D equals to 24. So A means 3. So 3 plus D into 3 minus D equals to 24. So A plus B into A minus B formula means 3 square minus D square into 3 equals to 24. So now 9 minus D square equals to 24 by 3. So means 9 minus D square equals to 8. So D square equals to 1 means D equals to plus minus 1. Clear? So means A equals to what? 3 and D equals to plus minus 1. Yeah. The numbers are what? A plus D. So A plus D you can write 3 plus 1 or 3 minus 1 means 4 or 2, or A means 3 and A minus D, that is you can write 3 minus of plus 1 or 3 minus of minus 1. So means this one, so 3 or 4. Here the answer is coming like that: 4, 3, 2 or 2, 3, 4. So let's see, 2, 3 matched here. So means option D is the correct answer here. Next question number 4. If A, B, C, D are in AP, then D minus C is equal to. So D minus C means minus A, C minus B and D minus C. So option is C minus A. C minus A. No, this is not a common difference. D minus B, not. This is not a common difference. B minus A. Yes, this is common difference. Means D minus C minus A. Next, in odd natural number is. So first odd natural number. So odd natural number are what? 1, 3, 5, 7 and n. So means Sn equals to write 2a, n by 2. 2a. A means what? 1 plus n minus 1 into d. D means what? 2. So n by 2 plus this is 2 into n, 2n and minus 2. This will cancel out, 2 cancel out. So we'll write n square. Okay. So means this answer here. So thank you for today. So I hope you understand all the questions. If there is any doubt, please comment in the comment section. I will handle your doubt as well. So tata and bye.